Okay, this is the finished motor. You just saw a time lapse of it being constructed. Unfortunately, it doesn't run. I can't get the rotor to spin continuously or even complete a full rotation. In the construction, I ran into a couple of problems. First of all, the sandpaper that was provided to us was ineffective in stripping the insulation off the ends of the copper coils, so I used scissors instead to do that. The other problem was when I coiled the copper coil around the base over down here originally to make the field coil, I wrapped it too loosely, so the armature here caught on the bottom when it spun. So I just rewrapped it a little tighter, so now as you can see it spins freely. Unfortunately, it won't spin on its own when the battery's connected. So obviously the main problem with this is that it doesn't work. My theory as to why it doesn't work is that the battery does not have enough power to overcome the weight of the coil on the armature here, combined with the friction caused by the brushes and the plastic tubing on the axle here. Just all of that combined is too much for the battery to deal with, to overcome. I tried a number of different things to get this to work. I played with the circuitry. I changed the circuit around, switched the leads, changed contact points, removed the ground, removed the brushes, tried different batteries, different battery packs, new leads, anything and everything I could think of to try and make the circuit work, to try to make sure it was complete. None of it worked. None of it caused the motor to spin. I also tried to remove the plastic tubing on the axle, thinking that it was causing too much friction. So I removed it and tried it, and it still didn't work, so I just put it back on. I can't get the motor to spin more than a little bit. It doesn't even spin, it just kind of moves a little. I don't know if you can see it here. Connect the battery. You can see it move a little bit. Not much. You have to look closely. It's not a very obvious movement. But yeah, it does not work. It still looks cool. I enjoyed the process, and I learned that in engineering, not everything goes right. There are a number of failures, and you have to find a solution and press on. Unfortunately, I was unable to find a solution to this problem.